the load cells, load pins, is there a calibration method other than the constant factor you have?
So there's basically, you can zero them, and then we have a preset calibration factor, which the newest software is going to update some of them a little bit to make them a little more accurate. John Deere's not changing, that one's very accurate. Some of the other brands will, but there's really no calibration to it. Think of the load cells as a bathroom scale. If I step on it, it should reweight. If I step off, it should reweight. If I step on it again, it should read. Right? So if they don't zero, that's a problem. But here you can see if there's variation in what one row reads versus another, that very well could be real out of the field. Sometimes load cells will go bad, so it may not always be. But if you see, oh, this row seems to be reading 100 pounds heavier than the one 2 over, that doesn't mean that there's a failed component.
Sometimes load cells can fail, you certainly do.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have any good tricks on seeing that as quick as possible? I mean, other than we've gone to where we zero a couple times a day.
Yeah, put the latest software in, 2015-1. It's got much better diagnostics than we've ever had in 9 years. We've done a lot of research on the load cells and improved the diagnostics of them. So we'll catch the bad ones a lot quicker and automatically disable them a lot quicker than we have in the past. So that, and every once in a while, it's not a bad idea on the 2020 when you lift, go to setup systems and RUMs and make sure all of them are reading around 0. If one says -2 and one says 5, I'm not concerned about that, as long as when you put the planter down, they both increase. But if one's reading 130 when the planter's raised, I'd probably stop, go look at that row. Is the gauge wheel held up, pushing against it? If it is, that's probably why. If not, zero it, see if it zeros, but probably pay attention to it. If there's a condition in one of the pins or load cells where we know electrically, based on what we're seeing, it is mimicking what we've seen in the lab as a failed pin, we're going to automatically disable it.
So the 2020 will do that?
2020 will do
It just
that.
averages the 2 nearest?
So with Delta Force, if we have one disabled, it takes the heaviest row that needs the most weight and applies 80% of that amount to the row that we're not measuring. With Air Force, if you have 6 and one gets disabled, it just averages 5.
I mean, you can try to take pins out and swap them with the road next to it, you know, that's kind of a pretty common thing, or
Yeah.
if you try to want to do it that quicker, you can maybe unplug them and try to, I've had guys try to just, if they'll reach, you can try to plug them into the neighboring row, but
Will it tell you if it's canceled out a road?
Yeah, you'll get a pop-up on the 2020. Load pin on X row has been disabled.